and happiness. Here's to a purposeful Miss Polo International 2025. Cheers, everyone! Everybody say cheers! One more time, cheers! Applause and have a good one. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, it is timely that we have an inspiring message coming from the owner of Light Organics, Miss Nerissa Polke. Join us here, please. Requesting everyone now to take your seats. We are proceeding with the next part of the program. We're almost through. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. For a message of inspiration, let's welcome the owner of Light Organics, the beautiful lady in pink, Nerissa.